I did a video on Innerbloom Academy, and I've been able to go through some more of the content in the Academy. First off, again, I am still absolutely loving this Academy. Every time I go in there, I just feel inspired. There are so many different modules that you can watch. Say, for example, you're not really into one particular module and you feel like watching another module to sort of be inspired or relax. Like, it's just fantastic. There's sort of different variety in there. The content for the building the business is honestly absolutely amazing. Just really filling in the gaps of a lot of stuff that I'd been missing. For example, how to do sales. So I won't go into particular details on every course because obviously that would probably be like an hour-long video, but it's really, really interesting, truly learning how to do sales. So yeah, if you're struggling with that, this course can definitely help you with that. Obviously, it's only for women. So I do offer other products in my store because I basically try to take some of that information. I was like, aha, this is really, really helpful. So if you're a guy, then I have other products. Feel free to message me on Instagram and I can sort of guide you on what is probably best to get to actually learn how to do sales on social media. Because at the end of the day, like for me, my main goal is to have a full-time income working online. It just gives me the flexibility. You know, I want to be able to slow down, not worry about commuting, and yeah, be able to do more with my son and see my family whenever I want. It's achievable. There's plenty of people who have achieved it. That's why I've created this channel, so I can pass on all the knowledge that I've been learning, hopefully in a nice sort of condensed form and easy to understand. One thing that I've really learned with Innerbloom is mindset. So I have at times really, really struggled with imposter syndrome. I've really felt sort of my confidence has been knocked by things that have happened to me or people have said to me, and it's really amazing the power of listening to somebody saying something positive to you, but also thinking about how you're feeling and how you can work through that. But it's almost like, yes, I'm having to go on this journey myself, but because I've got people sort of saying these really positive things and making me think about these things, it just helps listening to it. Like when I first listened to Innerbloom, I was actually really struggling listening to it because it would make me very emotional. And now I can actually go listen to it and really take on board and just feel like a bit of sort of inner peace. And yeah, it's like, it is hard to describe it, and I'm trying to describe it to you really well, basically how it's helped. And I think one of the biggest things is just feeling like a lot of positivity, and that is definitely one that is affecting me every day. So if I'm feeling like I'm starting to go down a rabbit hole of not feeling confident in myself, or really starting to I hate it when I have a scatterbrain, like if I'm thinking about this, if I'm thinking about that, and then just actually have some focus, that's really important. And actually going through, so I've done a lot of video courses, the training within Innerbloom, because I'm really passionate about building my online business, but keeping that balance of my personal life. And the training for the business is more PDFs. And personally for me, I do like video training, but the PDFs are really good. Like I like seeing black and white exactly, you know, this is what they're talking about, seeing examples, and it just helps having clarity. And I think because of having more clarity in my business, in my personal life, I just feel like a little bit more at ease, more clarity, more focus, more like, okay, this is where I'm going. So yeah, it sort of really helps on multiple different levels. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, I'll leave a link down below and you can go check out Innerbloom for yourself. And like I said, if you are a guy watching this, feel free to message me on Instagram at @byclairebrody, and I will get back to you with what I think maybe could help you.